Today I'm going to be working on a junk journal that at the beginning seemed something that I wouldn't be making all the time. It seems to me weird and complicated, but now I see that this is very special and different. This is how the journal is looking so far, with some of the cover decorated and pages set up, ready to start using and enjoying. Hello friends, this is Maria here. Welcome to my channel and let's start. In this episode, let me show you a journal that doesn't have a problem with getting chunky. This idea came from the desire of giving this journal a more formal bind and that would allow me to handle it better and go through it pages while dreaming and relaxing at the same time. So I started by separating the color paint swatches and joining them together in pairs. The fact that the pages are connected among them on both sides creates extra space in which I can add some extra bits like stickers, images, lace, or labels. In other words, mostly anything. The width of the strip is of about half of an inch and I use paper from book pages. They're kind of yellow and porous, so I like them so much. They're not super white. I didn't want it to be super white. I prefer the vintage look for them. When the journal folds, become an accordion junk journal, where the front of a page can become the back and the back can be seen as the front, because it folds this way and also this way. This is the page I decided I want to be the cover, and as you can see, it has a lot of lace, little details like this little charm with an M for Maria, but I can still keep adding more and more, and there is not necessity of a spine, which is amazing. You don't have to worry about sewing or stitching. Isn't this great? I think I might add a couple of pages so I can show you how to do it and how to keep this journal growing and growing without the problem of getting chunky. As you can see here, the process is very simple and you can add as many pages as you want. You can keep adding more and more pages because this journal in the shape of an accordion is not gonna need any spine, so you don't gonna be limited by the size of a spine. It can grow indefinitely and you can have double the space because you can see it from the front and from the back. So the pages are amazing and the theme I choose is not specifically only one because I like to combine beiges and browns and also little fairies, animals, little snails, angels, anything that comes from nature. So this is really an inspiration, and the fact that you don't have to sew anything or slow stitch anything, it's amazing. You just need glue, strips of paper that you can cut, and you can add, like every day you can add 2 pages, 1 page, and then the cover you can have like something in relief like lace, little charms, or you can have like wooden pieces like die cuts, and it looks super nice. It is always nice to remember when I first started the first journal with color paint swatches, and I bind them with a ring and then with a little chain, but I noticed that it was kind of hard like to move the pages around, and so I start like joining the pages together, and I truly didn't know what to do till one day that I start like doing an accordion with them, and now I'm realizing that they can grow forever. So this is actually a journal. I'm gonna start journaling in it, and also I'm gonna keep adding more and more little details. As you can see, sometimes we can feel that we never end a journal because when we go through the pages of a journal we made probably a year ago, 6 months ago, and we have the good moment and a good mood to go through it, for sure you're gonna find something, a little space, a little corner where you want to add something else. Also, I use this type of journals to get rid of a lot of little pieces, bobs and bits that I have around my desk, and including the charms I place here on the safety pins and everything, but I'm truly in love with the result. I hope you try it. In terms of a closure, I have this really pretty green ribbon, so I thought that I could tie this around it for now, and that would keep it close and give it a nice sense of being loved. That is the finished journal, and now I'm really looking forward to work in it. I hope you enjoyed joining me for the process of this. I will see you in my very next creative episode, and if you make it till the end, give it a thumbs up and don't go away without subscribing to my channel. It's really easy. You can click here in my picture and also down here in this corner on the subscription button. Also leave me a comment. You know already that I would love to read all your comments and ideas. And of course, if you're interested in more videos like this one, just click in the following videos I'm gonna link here at the end of this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye friends, bye bye.